he can't win the case if he can't show damages. And the evidence will show that he has not suffered 1 cent of damages from this op-ed. Not one. Now, make no mistake, Johnny Depp's reputation is in tatters. His career is in free fall. But it's because of problems that he created, problems that he is responsible for. And he's here in court asking you to blame Amber for them. But it's not Amber's fault.
What conclusions did you draw from your review?
I concluded that Mr. Depp suffered lost earnings of approximately $40 million.
What are your overall opinions about the Q-scores that you analyzed?
So my overall opinions are, as I mentioned earlier, I wanted to analyze the Q-scores during this snapshot of time. I wanted to understand what they were before, during, and after the op-ed. And what this tells me is his positive Q-score went from a 35 to a 29, and then his negative went from an 11 to a 15. So what the Q-scores is telling me is the public perception of Mr. Depp has been damaged. They like him less and they dislike him more.
Based on all of the analyses that you completed in this case, what are your final opinions about Mr. Depp's reputation over this period of time?
Yeah, so my opinions are that, Mr. Depp was not portrayed in a negative connotation prior to the 2016 allegations of abuse. And then Mr. Depp's image, he was portrayed in a negative connotation after the 2016 allegations of abuse, and then more so after the 2018 Washington Post op-ed. And then the Q-scores represent that, the public thinks he's damaged. They think less likely of him. His positive Q-score has gone down, and they don't like him even more because his negative Q-score went from the 11 to the 15.